Look at this question, exercise 9.2. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. All these pairs that we are having here, monomials only. 4 is a monomial, 7p is a monomial. So now let us multiply this. While multiplying this one, first you need to multiply the numerical coefficients, numerals now. So 4 into 7, then variable is only one variable, that is p. So what is the answer for 7 sir? 28 into p, 28p. This is how you can multiply. First you have to multiply the numbers that you are in, numerical numerals, coefficients. First you multiply the coefficients. Next, here minus 4p and 7p you have to multiply. Minus 4p and 7p means first you multiply minus 4 and 7. Then this variables p into p. Then variables p into p. So you will get minus 4 into 7, minus 28. Minus 28, p to the power 1 and p to the power 1. So when you are adding the like terms, same type of variable is there, means power should be added here. Laws of exponents. The chapter laws of exponents says when you are multiplying the numbers, alphabets, variables, p and p, you should add the powers now. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. This becomes 28 p to the power 2. So now come to this one now. Here minus 4p and 7pq. You need to multiply here. So first let us multiply minus 4 and 7. Then here p. The next term is p into q. We need to multiply this one. So what happens? Minus 4 into 7 again. Minus 28. And p we have 2. P to the power 2 into q. P to the power 2 into q. Now come to the fourth question now. Multiply this 4 and minus 3. First 4 into minus 3 into p to the power 3 into p. Variables later. First coefficients, then the variables. Now look at this. 4 into 3 minus 12. P to the power 3 into p to the power 1. Here 1 is there. P to the power 1. 3 plus 1. P to the power 4. So now this is the product that you are getting. This is 20. This is the answer. And for this answer like this. So these are the answers now after multiplication. Okay. Now last one. Question number 5. Look at this. 4p into 0. Multiply this 4 and 0 first. Then p. 4 and 0 and p. 0 into p. So your answer is 0. So this is the answer. Okay. So like this you have to multiply the monomial by monomial. Look at this once again. We have two monomials here. So that is 4 and 7p. 4 is one monomial, 7p is another monomial. So when you are multiplying like this, first you multiply 4 and 7. 4 and 7, so you will get 28p separately. If another variable is there, multiply that p also. Come to the second one. Minus 4p and 7p. Multiply this minus 4 and 7 first. So you will get minus 4 into 7. So then p into p. So p to the power 1 into p to the power 1. Minus 4 into 7 minus 28. P to the power 1, p to the power 1, p to the power 2. So come to this third question now. Multiply minus 4 and 7 first. Minus 4 and 7. Coefficient should be multiplied first. Then p into pq later. Here when you are multiplying p and pq, first you need to multiply p and p to the power 1 and p to the power 1, it gives you p to the power 2. Q separately you write. So next last question, fourth question, 4p to the power 3 and minus 3p. Multiply 4 and minus 3 first. 4 into minus 3, p to the power 3 and p. 4 into minus 3 it is minus 12. P to the power 3 and p to the power 1 it is p to the power 4. You need to add the powers if they are of same kind, same variables are there, means power should be added. Now 4p into 0. Multiply this 4 and 0 first. 4 and 0, then p you write. 4 into 0, 0 into p. 0 into p, 0. So that is how you can multiply this. See this question, all of you listen, look at this. Find the areas of the rectangles with the following pairs of monomials. Following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. So they are given the monomials as their lengths and breadths. The lengths and breadths of the rectangles. You know what is the formula to find the area of the rectangle? What is the formula to find the area of the rectangle? Area is equal to L into B. So area is length into breadth. So enough. Length into breadth. Now area is equal to length and breadth they have given respectively. This is length, P is length and Q is breadth. So in place of length let us write P. In place of breadth you can write Q. So answer, it is a monomial and monomial. P into Q. It gives you PQ square units. Square units. This is the area of this rectangle. So now let us take one more question. Listen here. Here length is 10 mm, breadth is 5 mm. So area of the rectangle is equal to, once again you write the formula, length into breadth. Length into breadth. So area is equal to length. In place of length you substitute 10 mm. In place of breadth you substitute 5 mm. Okay. So area is equal to, multiply the numerical coefficients first. 10 into 5. 10 into 5. Then m into n. M into n later. So it will be 50. 10 5 are 50. M into n. Mn. So square units. Area should be in square units. So this is the area of this rectangle with length 10 mm and breadth 5 mm. So again come to this one, area of rectangle. Area is equal to, once again you write the formula, length into breadth. So now length in place of length you write this 20x square. 20x square. In place of breadth you can write 5y square. So they have given respectively length and breadth. So now while multiplying this is also monomial, this is also monomial. So first you multiply 20 and 5. Then the variables x square into y square. So 25 are, it is 100. X square and y square, they are not like terms. Just you can write as it is, x square and y square. So this is the area of this rectangle. So now this much. Let's look at this question now. Complete the table of the products. That means you need to multiply them. You have to find out the products. The first expression, first monomial, and this column, first row it represents first monomial and this one second monomial. You need to multiply like this. First monomial by first column wise, row wise and column wise. So 2x into 2x. First you multiply the number. 2 2s are 4, x into x square. Next 2x into 5y minus 5y. 2 5s are 10 minus 10 x into y xy. Then this first monomial here, third one. 2 3s are 6 x into x square. X to the power 1 into x to the power 2. It is x to the power 3. Now 2x into minus 4xy. 2 4s are 8 minus 8 x into x square, x into y, then x into x square and y alone, you can write y as it is. Now 2 7s are 14. So now x into x square, it is x cube. So y alone, just you write y as it is. Next one. 2 9s are 18 minus 18. So now x into x square, it is x cube. So then y square, it is alone. You can write as it is y square. So now I multiply the monomial 2x with all these monomials. Now come to the second row. Second row, the monomial is minus 5y. You have to multiply to all the monomials present in these columns. Okay. Now minus 5y into 2x. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10 x into y xy. Then minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25. Then y into y square positive, negative and negative becomes positive. Then minus 5 into 3 minus 15. Y is alone and x square is different. X square as it is and then y as it is. They are unlike terms, just you write as it is. Next, variables are unlike. therefore you can write separately x square y as it is. Minus 4 into minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 4, 20. Then x as it is. Y into y square. 20xy square. Then this minus 5y into 7. Minus 5 into 7. 35 minus 35. So x square we don't have in this monomial. You write this x square as it is. Y into y square. Then minus into minus plus, 5 nines are 45. Y, see x square only 1, you write x square as it is. Y into y square, it is y to the power 3. Now come to this next one. 3x square should be multiplied to all these monomials. 3x square into 2x. 3 2s are 6. 6. X square into x to the power 3. Then 3 5 is 15 minus 15. X square into y. X square y. 3 3s are 9. X square into x to the power 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 12. X square into x to the power 3, y only 1, so write as it is. 3 7s are 21, so x square into x to the power 4, y only 1, you write as it is. Then 3 9s are 27 minus 27 because minus is there. X square into x to the power 4, then y square as it is, this is only 1. Okay. Like this, again you come to this one, minus 4 into 2, minus 8, x into x square, y, only 1, write as it is. Minus into minus plus, 4 5s are 20, x into, we don't have there, you write x as it is, y into y square. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12, x into x square, it is x cube, y, only 1, you write as it is. Then minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. X into x square. Y into y square. Again minus 4 into 7. Minus 28. X into x square. X cube. Y into y square. Then minus 4 into minus 9. 9 4s are 36. Plus 36. X into x square. X to the power 3. Y into y square, y to the power 3. So come to this one. 7 2s are 14. X square into x to the power 3. Y as it is. 7 5s are 35. X square as it is. Y into y square. Then 7 3s are 21. X square into x to the power 4. Y only 1, you write as it is. 7 4s are 28 minus 28. Then x square into x to the power 3. Y into y square. 7 7s are 49. Write as it is. X square into x to the power 4. Y into y square. 7 9s are 63. Minus 63. Minus sign is there, minus 63. X square into x to the power 4. Y into y square, y to the power 3. The last row, I will leave this one, you complete this remaining. What is the product of these numbers now? Monomial with these monomials you can multiply. Minus 9 into all these things, you multiply yourself. So look at this question is like this. Obtain the volume of the rectangular boxes. Volume of the rectangular boxes whose length is given, breadth is given, height is given respectively here. With 3 dimensions are given. Length, breadth and height. What is the formula to find the volume of the box? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So we need to multiply all the 3 dimensions here. Length here, respectively, you have to take in order it is given. First one is length, second one is breadth, and third one is height. So in place of length, let us write 5a. In place of breadth, let us write 3a square. In place of height, let us write 7a to the power 4. So as I said, first you have to multiply the numerical coefficients. 5 into 3 into 7. Then later variables. A into a square into a to the power 4. Now, so look at this. Multiply this one. See all this 7 3s are 21. 21 into 5. 105. 105. Now, see look at this. All these having the same base. A. Exponent you see. 4, 2, 1. Add them. A to the power 7. A to the power 7. This is the volume. Volume should be in cubic units. You write that answer in cubic units. Because it's a volume, you have to write in cubic units. Area means square units. So this is the volume of that rectangular box. You understood this? Okay. Let us take another question. Let us find out the volume is equal to, again, length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. Second one. Here, length place you have to write first one 2p. Breadth is 4 cube. Into height is 8r. As I said in the beginning itself, first you multiply all the coefficients now. 2 into 4 into 8. The later variables p into q into r. So here 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. They are all different. P, Q are all different. Right as it is P, Q, R. So here unit cubic units. Cubic units. Then come to this third question. Again you write the formula. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. The product of these three gives you volume. So length, we have first one xy, then breadth is 2x square y, height is 2xy square. As I said, multiply the coefficient first. 1, if nothing is there, 1 is there. 1 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 2. Then x and then into x square into x. Okay, then come to this y. Y into y square. I have multiplied first x square and x. Now what is the product of these numerical numbers? 2 2s are 4. 4 x into x square into x. Add the powers. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. X to the power 4. Then y to the power 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. Y to the power 4. This you write in cubic units. Cubic units. Now tell me whether the code is clear or not. Yes, look here now. The question is obtain the product of these three terms. All the three are monomials only. xy into yz into zx. We have three variables here, x, y, z here. Let us multiply first x. So x and x gives you x square. Here power 1, here power 1. Multiplication time, we should add the power. Then y, come to that variable y. Here 1, 1, y to the power 2. Z, here also 1, here also 1, z to the power 2. This is the product. You understood this? The question is having three monomials, a minus a square and a cube. We need to find the product of these three. So let us see a into minus a square into a to the power 3. See all these polynomials having the coefficients as 1, here minus 1, here 1. So once you multiply all these things, it becomes minus itself. So a all the are having the same variable as base. Now add the powers now. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, minus a to the power 6. The given question is containing 2, y cube. So multiplication 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y to the power 3. We need to multiply first numerical quotients 2 into 4 into 8 into 16. Then these variables y into y square into y to the power 3. So now multiply this one. 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 64 into 16. 1024. 1024. Then y is same here. Base is same. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. So 1024 y to the power 6.